Hey y'all, welcome back. Sarah J here. I know y'all probably wondering what the heck is this? Well, it's my new laundry basket, which I got off Amazon. So it came packaged like this in a box. Super excited about this though. Look, it already had the wheels on there, so I didn't have to put those in. Love that for me. And then the inside here, it comes with the little things, I guess, to keep the basket stable when it is up high. Look at that. Baby, it one stick per side. One stick per side. So I put the 3 in those sides. I want to do this one on camera with you guys. So let's see if you can zoom you in. Let's zoom you in. Alright, like so. So here is the little Velcro. Just gonna open that and stick it right down in there. Like so. Get in there, buddy. And then as you see, if you close it now, it's not going to be that flush. So I've just been pushing it down and under this rim to make the Velcro stay. So that's it. That's the little laundry basket. And it has this little net. Put your clothes are in there. Can use this and zoop that on close. And then on the side, look, it says laundry. So this came in different colors. What's disappointing about it though is I thought it was bigger. In the picture on Amazon, it looked way bigger. Way bigger. And so that's why I wanted it. And it was $32 and it's not that big. Thank you, cousin, for getting me this. So I actually am gonna use it, but yeah, I don't recommend this as a buy, guys. I'm sorry, but it does has this handle. You roll it along with you, drag it along with you. But that's it. Thanks so much for watching.